don't know what I'm doing, to be fair. But we're figuring out as we go. Right now, covering most of the holes with this stuff because I'm going to stuff insulation in all of this. I was just hoping this would help block the wind as well as sound deaden, but I'm not sure. Well, this morning has consisted of sound deadening as much as I can. I don't know if covering up these holes is a great idea. It's gorgeous here, dude. Sick, bro. Hell yeah.